Dr. Sudha from Government Science College, Autonomous, Bangalore. Lab topic is harmonic functions. Let us begin with the definition. Laplacian equation. Laplacian equation in two dimensions is given by dou square phi by dou x square plus dou square phi by dou y square equal to 0, where phi is a function of two variables x and y. Now let us see the definition of harmonic function. Let f of x comma y be a function of two variables. F of x comma y is said to be harmonic if it satisfies the Laplacian equation, that is dou square fy dou x square plus dou square fy dou y square equal to 0. Let us look into the points to be remembered. If f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I into b of x comma y is analytic in the domain D of a complex plane, then u and v are both harmonic. That is, if a function f of z is u plus I into v is analytic, then the real part and the imaginary part are both harmonic to each other. If such functions exist, that is u and v where both are harmonic, they are called harmonic conjugates. Suppose if u of x comma y is an harmonic function, another function v of x comma y is called harmonic conjugate of u if v is also harmonic and both u and v satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equations. Laplacian equation in polar form is given by dou square f by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou f by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square f by dou theta square equal to 0, where f is a function of r and theta, the polar coordinates. Let us look into some problems. Prove that u and v are harmonic conjugates where f is given by y cube minus 3x square y plus I into x cube minus 3xy square. And f is given to be analytic. Since f is analytic, you need to prove that u and v are harmonic conjugates. So f is given by this expression. So the real part u is y cube minus 3x square y. And the imaginary part v is x cube minus 3xy square. Now let us consider u, the real part. Let us find its partial derivatives. Ux is the partial derivative with respect to x. It gives us minus 6xy. And differentiating once again, we get the second order partial derivative, that is dou square u by dou x square, that is minus 6y. Now uy, that is 3y square minus 3x square, that is dou u by dou y. Differentiating once again, we get dou square u by dou y square, that is uyy, that is 6y. So uxx plus uyy gives us minus 6y plus 6y, and the resultant is 0. Therefore, u is harmonic. Let us call this as expression 1. Now let us consider the imaginary part v. V is x cube minus 3xy square. Partial derivatives of v with respect to x, that is 3x square minus 3y square, the first order derivative. And vxx, the second order derivative, is 6x. With respect to y, vy is minus 6xy. And second order partial derivative dou square v by dou y square is equal to minus 6x. Now uxx plus uyy gives us 6x minus 6y, which gives us 0. Therefore, v is harmonic. Call this as expression 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 is u is harmonic, 2 is v is harmonic. Therefore, u and v are harmonic conjugates. Now let us see the maxima program for this. So the first line is kill all. It deletes all the user variables, functions, arrays, and sets all the built-in commands, functions to their default conditions. F of z is the given function, therefore colon equals y cap 3 minus 3 star x cap 2 star y, that is y cube minus 3x square y, plus I, that is percentage I, into star x cube, that is x cap 3, minus 3xy square, that is minus 3 star x star y cap 2. We need the real part of the given function, so we need to extract that. Here we are using the built-in command REALPART, real part of f of z. This returns the real part of the function given to us, that is f of z. And this is just a computational function and it is not a simplifying function, that is real part. Similarly, we have v, the imaginary part. IMAGPART returns the imaginary part of the function f of z. Once again, this is not a simplifying function, this is a computational function. In the next line, we write capital A, and that is diff of u comma x comma 2, that is dou square u by dou x square, plus diff of u comma y comma 2, it is dou square u by dou y square. This diff returns the derivative of the expression u with respect to x twice and here with respect to y twice. And we put this under the user variable capital E. And this is the Laplacian of the function u. And next capital B, diff of v comma x comma 2 plus diff of v comma y comma 2. This is the second order partial derivative of v with respect to x, and this is the second order partial derivative of v with respect to y. So this is the Laplacian of v. It is stored under capital B. So if the Laplacian is equal to 0, that is if a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, then u and b are harmonic conjugates, else u and b are not harmonic conjugates. Now let us execute this in the maxima window. So this is a maxima window. Let us copy down the command over here. So this is the given function, real part, imaginary part, a, b, and this is the conclusion. So now let us execute using the shift enter. So this is a given function f of z, real part u, and this is the imaginary part v. This is the Laplacian of u, that is 0. Laplacian of v is also 0. Since both are harmonic, being Laplacian zeros, they satisfy the Laplacian equation. Therefore, they become harmonic. Since both are harmonic, they become harmonic conjugates. Now let us see one more example wherein the given function is in the polar form. So we need to check whether the real and the imaginary parts of this f of z in polar form using the polar expression for Laplacian. So real part u of r comma theta is r square cos 2 theta minus r sin 2 theta. Imaginary part v is r square sin 2 theta plus r cos 2 theta. Let us consider the real part and find its partial derivatives with respect to r and theta. So first the partial derivative of u with respect to r, 2r cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Second order derivative gives us 2 cos 2 theta. Derivative with respect to theta is minus 2r square sin 2 theta minus 2r cos 2 theta. And dou square u by dou theta square is minus 4r square cos 2 theta plus 4r sin 2 theta. Let us put these values in the Laplacian for the function u, that is dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square. On substituting the values, we get this expression. Let us simplify this. On simplification, that is removing the brackets, we get these 5 terms. So the cos terms get cancelled and we get a sin term, that is 3 by r sin 2 theta, and this is not equal to 0. Since the value of the Laplacian is not equal to 0, u is not a harmonic function. Since u is not a harmonic function, u and v doesn't become harmonic conjugates. Therefore, u and v are not harmonic conjugates. Let us see the maxima program for this. So this is the maxima program. Since f of z is given in the polar form, we need to put everything in r and theta. So theta is obtained by the command theta, and the real part, it remains same. It gives us the real part of f of z. And IMAG PART gives us the imaginary part of f of z. And this is the Laplacian in the polar form. That is diff of u comma r comma 2. That is the partial derivative of u with respect to r twice plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r, 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square. Once again, diff returns the derivative of u with respect to r or any other variable put here, that is theta or r. Either it is 2 times or the first order derivative. And here we are using the tricsim command because here we have everything in sine and cos. This tricsim performs various simplifications of trigonometric expressions. It uses the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 for simplification. And this command replaces all tan, secant, cosecant, cot in terms of sine and cosine equivalents and gives a resultant in sine and cos. So here we are using tricsim. Similarly, capital V is represented by the Laplacian of V. Once again, here also we are using tricsim. So capital U is the Laplacian of real part. Capital V is the Laplacian of the imaginary part. If capital U is equal to 0 and capital V is equal to 0, then U and V becomes harmonic conjugates because they become harmonic. Else, U and V are not harmonic conjugates. Let us execute this in the maxima window. Let us go to the maxima window. Put the maxima command here. Let us execute using shift enter. So this is the output obtained. Here you see capital U and capital V, that is the harmonic functions or the harmonic equation value, that is the Laplacian value, is not equal to 0. Therefore, U and V are not harmonic conjugates. So similarly, we can calculate whether the real and imaginary parts U and V are harmonic in f of z is equal to z plus 1 by z. And f of z is equal to cos z using the same maxima codes. Hope everybody could follow this. How to check whether U and V are harmonic or not using maxima codes. Thank you.